How to fix Instagram followers stuck. Hello guys, in this video or this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast. All what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this and then scroll down until you find this apps option. And after you click on the apps option, go to the apps again right here. Now, all what you have to do here is very simple. Scroll down until you find Instagram like this. And after you find Instagram, then click on it. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. It's called app information. All what you have to do here is click on force stop. And then go down, click on storage. Click on clear cache. Go back, click on this option, it's called notifications management. Make sure that all those notifications are enabled and then go back again. Now all what you have to do is just restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and it must be working. Don't forget to like and subscribe.